Hello my lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome, super well, and staying safe. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos today. I do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And in today's video, I do have this simple fall inspired makeup look for you guys using this palette from Lorac. This is the Lorac Pro, the Bakery Box palette. And if you guys want to see how I came up with this look today, keep watching, and I do hope you enjoy, and I would love to read your comments in the description box. Thank you for tuning in. I do appreciate it. See you next time. Bye. So my eyes are done, and I'm just going to clean up the corners a little bit. I always find whenever I do a cut crease or attempt to do a cut crease, once up, once down, this eye is a little bit puffier for some reason than the other one, so this one always looks different, so don't judge me. And I'm going to be going in with Chance, and I'm going to put her on right now, and then we're going to work on the face. She's nice and clean. All the makeup videos you've seen in August, I wore this one particular style of lash the whole time, and we are now in the month of September, and I'm going to be putting this on again today. So my eyes are already done, and I'm just going to clean up the corners a little bit. And I always find whenever I attempt to do a cut crease, one is always up, one's always down. That's because, like I've mentioned this several times, this eye is a little bit more puffier than this one. So one's always up, one's always down. It's not a deal breaker for me. So I'm going to be putting on my lashes, and these are called Chance. All the videos you've seen from me in the month of August, I've worn the exact same pair of lashes. I haven't changed them, and we are now in the month of September, and I'm putting this on again. I always make sure I take my time and clean them properly and put them back in the packaging. And this is my eyeliner, and it's also a lash glue as well. And I've showed you guys how I use this. Now, sometimes for me, I find that, you know, when you put your lashes on, the inner corners or the end of your lashes are always coming apart. And just to avoid that, I always use this in the inner corners of my eyes and the end. I'm going to link the video somewhere for you guys. And mind you, I do have very sensitive eyes, guys, really do. So let me just show you how I do this again. So I'm going to squint because, like I said, my eyes are sensitive. So this is a pen, and there it is. One little stroke, and this goes on. Okay? So I'm just going to put this right here. Just like that. And I'm also going to put it just in the ends right there. Okay, And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And so you don't have to go in very heavy with this. A little bit goes a long way. So I did it on both sides and both inner corners. And I'm going to be using this lash glue. This came in my Boxy Charm box. This is Lava Los Angeles. It came in a lash kit. And here it be. And when you put this on, it goes on blue, which I like. I don't know if you guys can see that. You may not be able to see it. But it's white in the bottle, but it goes on blue. And again, I'm going to avoid the ends of the lashes because I've already have the glue in the corner of my eyes ready to go. So there we go. Let me see if I can bring this close so you guys can see. Do you see that? You can probably see that it's blue. Okay, and this takes just a couple of seconds to go on. Okay, so this should be ready. So I do have my mirror and I'm just gonna come up close. Hope you guys can see that. And I'm gonna stick it right here. Okay, and I'm just gonna pull this down to the corner like so. Oops, like so. So there we are, guys, the lash is on, and I always like to press the front and press the back a little bit just to make sure it's on, and then I just, you know, squeeze just to make sure the lash is blended nicely. Okay, so now I'm going to use my brown eyeliner pencil. I got this from the dollar store. You guys would have seen that haul sometime back. Lovely pencil. This is brown, nice and long. Okay, so I'm just going to line my eyes with this. This is a very, very soft pencil. A little stroke like that and this goes on. Really nice. And just like that. And so the eyes are done. And there we go. The lashes are on. So we're just going to work on the face right now. So I'm going to be using this Bobbi Brown foundation. This is an Almond. This foundation is too dark for my skin, but I'm going to use it today to show you guys. So I'm going to put a little bit of this on the brush and put this on my face. Do you see that? Do you see the red in this thing? I don't know what the heck I was thinking buying this foundation. When I purchased this the first time and I put it on, it looked really good. But then as over time, as my skin changed, this became way too dark for my skin. Very, very, very dark. But we're going to go in with some concealer and we're going to even this out. It is a nice foundation, but too dark. And I remember I was in John Lewis on Oxford Street in London testing out this foundation, and this looks so good on my skin. And then, you know, because at one point I was off YouTube for 6 months and I didn't put a thing on my face. I was just really focusing on my skincare. And this is like, what the hell is this? Too dark, but whatever. I can also mix this with another foundation like my Morphe 1021 or 1023. I can mix those this with maybe my L'Oreal Paris foundation as well. But I do like the foundation from Bobbi Brown. I think it's a good one. Do you see the red undertone in this foundation? It is so dark. I mean, look at my neck. Big difference. I could not wear this foundation in the summertime. Try to imagine I'm out in 31 degrees. My face is going to bake to the color of my eyebrows. Trust me. So this is the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand Foundation. I got this in my Tarte haul the other day. And so we are going to put some of this on. And yeah, oh yeah, that's obviously nice and light. And I'm going to use my angle brush from Real Techniques to blend this out. That's really nice. I like that. So this is my Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. So we're just going to open this up. I'm going to pour some in the cover. And I'm going to use my Morphe brush. Oh wow guys, I love this setting powder. Really nice. Like that. So I'm going in now with my medium 3 ultra loose powder from Face Atelier. I'm never giving up this powder. Never. And I'm using one of these little sponges I got from the dollar store. So here we be. I just want to be able to clean up around the container, and I'm going to tap that inside, and I'm just going to tap this off in the cover. So I'm just going to put this all over my face, and I'm just going to blend this out. The sponge is doing a good job. Lovely. This is very nice. I like this. I'm just taking all the extra from the cover and I'm tapping this. I don't mind using the sponges to put my powder on. It's also going to help to absorb any extra moisture on my face. And I think I'm just going to go wild and put a little bit of this on my lips. There we go. So then around the container, I'm just going to make sure that's completely cleaned up, because I don't want to waste this powder. Okay. There we go. So let's work on the lips right now. I'm using this lip balm. You would have seen this in my unboxing the other day from Tarte. This has a lovely peppermint smell to it. It's very nice, very subtle on the lips, and I find this is very moisturizing. So a little bit of that goes on. And I'm going to be using this lipstick from NYX. You guys would have seen this in previous videos. It is red, and I'm going to leave the name of this lipstick in the description box for you guys. It is so tiny on here, but it's gonna be down below. So let's put this on. There we go. I am now gonna go in with this lip liner from Daper. It's called Fun. So this is my Royal Glow highlighter, and this is from Daper. And we're gonna put a little bit of this on the cheeks. Oh! Look here. This is so pretty. Love that glow. Just on the cheeks. Really pretty. Oh wow. What do you guys think of that? And I even find this is just a little bit too much, but we're just going to blend that out. And I'm gonna take my sponge and I'm just gonna tap that down a little bit to tone it down. And there we go. What do you think? This is my Morphe setting spray. Okay, my lovelies, here we are with the finished look of the makeup. What do you guys think of this look? I really like it. Listen, makeup doesn't have to be complicated. Makeup can be anything you want it to be, okay? This is the Lorac Pro, the Bakery Box palette. I love this palette so much because I love the names of the colors in here. On my lid, I do have Angel Food. Below the brow bone, I have gingerbread, and between the lid and the brow bone, I have pudding, and I use granola in the corners of my eyes. The colors are so pretty, and of course you do have your highlighters in here as well. Really, really, really nice for the fall, and I just love the way this is looking. Fall inspired for sure. Lovely, like it. And of course I'm wearing Chance on my eyes. All the videos you've seen from me in the month of August, I've worn Chance the whole time. I think except for one video where I had Joy on my eyes where I was wearing my glasses. But these are called Chance. All the ordering details will be down below for you guys. But I do hope you enjoyed today's video and enjoy this makeup look. Again, sound off below. Let me know what you think. Don't be shy. Just let us know that I think you should do this. I think you should stop doing makeup. Something like that. Just sound off below. I love to read your comments and I love to hear from you. Thank you guys so much for watching today and spending this little time with me. I do appreciate it. My name is Odette. Thanks for watching. I shall see you next time. Bye.